Yo guys, what is up? Randall here from Crypto Love, and I put together this video for you today to show you how to use the KuCoin exchange. Now this is an exchange that I'm starting to use because it has listed a lot of the new Asian cryptocurrencies, which could be very, very profitable in the short to long term, definitely over 2018. So just to give you an idea, some of the ones that they have here, like Red Pulse, A-Chain, DragonChain, Aeon, and there's a whole bunch more. Now, not only that, but they look at all these pairings. They have Bitcoin pairings, they have Ethereum pairings, they even have Neo pairings, US dollar Tether, and KuCoin pairings, obviously. But the way that I like to do this is I like to use the Ethereum pairings. Now, granted, when I look at everything, I look at the Bitcoin comparative, but I like to use the Ethereum pairings because I can send Ethereum a lot more quickly and there are a lot less fees than sending Bitcoin. Now, how do you do this? Well, once you sign up for an account, and if you do sign up, please use the link down in the description. That helps out the channel quite a bit. But basically what you do, click on this money sign, and then you're gonna go click on deposit here, and that'll give you your Ethereum address to go and deposit Ethereum. So that way you can go and deposit Ethereum there. It gets there quickly. All it takes is 12 verifications on the Ethereum blockchain. So generally, 5, 10, 15 minutes, you should have your money there. That way you can start buying these cryptos as soon as possible. Now, it should be said with this, with any other transaction on the blockchain, just be careful that the addresses are the same, because if they are not, you can lose all of it and you can't get it back. All right, guys, so generally in like 5 or 10 minutes, you get your Ethereum on KuCoin and you can go crypto shopping on there. Now, I'm going to walk you through how to buy a crypto. I've been taking a look at it. I think it's a pretty good deal, but obviously don't buy this just because I'm buying it. Do your own research. A lot of these cryptos could stand to see pretty big gains over the next year, so I'm going to show you how to buy one. The one that I'm looking at today is called DragonChain. Now, this is a private blockchain by Disney. Pretty cool. But easiest way to go and buy it is to go and set a market order. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Now, KuCoin is pretty cool about security. They actually make you fill out a Google two-step authenticator before you can go ahead and buy and sell. So that helps protect your account a little bit more. That's something I think is good in my books. Now, the easiest way to buy it is just to set a buy order, a market order, and let's go do that. All right, so this is just getting it at the market price, which is what's shown right here on the spread. And I'm just going to set a fixed amount of them, which comes out to roughly 2 Ethereum, all right? And then I'm going to click the buy button, and the buy order has been placed. And look, it's being filled as we talk. All right, and so once the buy order is completely filled, you can go and check on it, and you do that by going back to your balances, clicking on this money symbol. Now, if you can do the available amount, and boom, it shows up right there that I purchased a whole bunch of DragonChain, and hopefully this one will go up. So that is it. That's how you do it. It is literally that simple to go ahead and buy these cryptocurrencies on KuCoin. It is a lot of these coins are only available on KuCoin, and this has a positive and a negative. So negative, it makes it a little bit more difficult because you need to register a KuCoin account. The positive is that you can get in on these early before they're listed on a lot of those other exchanges, and you can make an absolute killing when they do get listed on those exchanges. So it's definitely worth checking out. I do recommend taking a look at this. If you do choose to use KuCoin, please use the referral code down in the description. That helps out the channel a lot. And I will catch you guys later. All right, have a good one. Peace.